guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. You are joining me in Polokwane on a pretty hot Saturday afternoon. It's actually 29 degrees out here, so it's a bit of a scorcher. Nice bright sunny day, which is great for videoing, obviously, as you can see, some good lighting. I'm currently in my daily driver, which is a 2002 W03 C200 compressor. I don't think I've ever featured it on the channel, but yeah, that's what I daily. We've owned the car since 2002, bought brand new. It's currently on 198,000 kilometers, actually almost 199. It was owned by someone who was very, very close to my heart, and someone who unfortunately we've lost last year. It's been a really, really huge knock to all of us, very unexpected as well. My dad's brother, who lived with us, literally been a second father to me. But yeah, it's actually another side to the Carbon Connection. When I started the Carbon Connection, when I thought about the name, this is something else that I had in mind. And my uncle was someone who obviously always told me to follow my passion and do what I love doing. He said never forget your home as well. So I'm here back in Polokwane doing a video, and like I was saying, another part of the Carbon Connection that I thought of when I was thinking of the name, and when I stuck to the Carbon Connection, it's not just cars, and no, I don't sell carbon fiber parts. I actually do get a few DMs on Instagram, hey, do you sell carbon fiber parts, because of the name, and that makes sense. The Carbon Connection, you would think I sell carbon parts and stuff, but I don't. But the Carbon Connection for me is about that connection that we all have. Obviously it's mainly car related. I'm a petrol head, that's what the channel is about. That's where this comes in, it being all of us, having this carbon connection, leaving carbon footprints and stuff like that. So today's video has actually brought me back to Polokwane, and it's helping me reconnect with a very, very old friend of mine, someone who I've known literally since preschool. So our friendship goes way, way back. I mean, starting from like 1995 or 1996. And obviously life happens. I mean, we all go on our own different paths and we do our own things. But here it is, me starting a channel, doing DIY videos. A really, really old friend of mine, a really old good friend of mine, contacting me saying, hey, can you organize a grill for me for my X3? Me saying, yeah, cool, let's hook it up through Rennzport, and hey, when I come to Polokwane, I'll fit it for you. It's something that I enjoy doing, and we can maybe create a vlog together and reconnect. So it's I know I'm started the video with a bit of a downer, something sad that has happened, but it's the reality of things. But I'm also making you guys realize that the Carbon Connection isn't just about me doing car mods and attending car events and stuff. It's a lot more than that. It's about my passion that I have for life, for people, for friends, for relationships and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for joining in for today's video. We're heading over to my really old friend Nabeel's place. He's got an X3, and we're gonna fit some gloss black dual slat grills. Okay, so here we have Nabeel's X3, as you can see, being used as an SUV, like it should. To a pleasant surprise, this one actually has the holes for the tabs. So we're just going to push a flathead into that to loosen the tabs, and then the grills should come right off. This is how the old ones look. You can see the chrome finish on the sides. And we're going to switch it out for dual slat gloss black grills. Pressing down those tabs. We've gotten the top ones out by pushing them down. It was actually a lot harder than we expected. YouTube videos make things look a lot easier than they actually are. We'll see you as soon as this is out. So this is what YouTube will make you believe it looks like. But that's not the case. This one here was, well, for lack of better words, an actual bead to take out. But we got it out. So yeah, let's install the new, actually before we install the new ones, since I think we have space to work here, let's get the other one out. This is YouTube making things look easy 2.0. Okay, so here we have the grills next to each other. Previous ones with the chrome lining, and then our glass black dual stack grills, and a grillless SUV that's been used as an SUV. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and install the new dual stacked glass back grills. Shout out to my preschool friend for being my cameraman today. And as you can see, it's just got the tabs there and at the bottom. And this being YouTube, we will make it look very simple and easy, even though it's not. Okay, so we've lined them up. I'd suggest you go from right to left. So start off with this clip, push that side in, there's tabs on this side. Once those are in, just gently knock at the bottom to get those tabs in. Okay, so we've successfully installed glass black dual slat grills to Nabeel's X3. Okay, so another DIY done. Definitely not as easy as we had initially anticipated. Required a little bit of elbow grease. Those clips and tabs were a little bit finicky, but we managed getting them out eventually. We were also being very gentle so we don't break any of the plastic tabs. Obviously the last thing we need to do is to have to replace stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for joining in. If you enjoyed today's DIY, please leave a comment below. Please remember to like the video. And if you're seeing my channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Like I had mentioned in the beginning of today's video, it's more than just cars. It's about connections as people, and linking up with old friends like I've done with today. It was really cool to just get the opportunity to hang out after so many years of not really well, we have seen each other over the years, but not actually getting to spend quality time. That's what it's about, those human interactions, those connections. That's what matters more than material things and more than these cars. Being able to help a friend out, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.